Sir President, mm, ma- masakit na nga yung mga...
Oh, horrible. Horrible situation.
Actually, ako, nasasaktan ako. Pag nakikita ko, pag naririnig ko, may mga nag-a-apply ng Portuguese citizenship, Spanish citizenship, at kung ano-ano pa, no? Parang, I guess, sometimes people are feeling hopeless when they see the massive corruption and, but what would you like to tell them?
There's hope. Have hope. We've seen all of what people are complaining about or having to live with. Yung kailangan ninyong pagtsagaan, pagtiisan na araw-araw niyang mga buhay. Alam namin yun. At lahat ng aming gawin, na kayang gawin, ginagawa namin. Pero yun na ngayon, babalik na naman ako doon sa nasabi ko kanina, na ang lalim ng kalawang, ang lalim ng
Yes.
ng bulok. They keep saying, how about if these are your friends? How about if these are your kaalyado? I said, what can you do? And I said, we're making an omelet. We're going to have to break some eggs. There's just no way around it.
Even if they're relatives as well.
Well,
Yeah.
who's more important? Your friend? Your political supporter? Or every single ordinary Filipino citizen? Who's more important? To me, it's the Filipino citizen. Nobody is more important than Filipinos. Nobody, not one person is more important. Not me, not anybody is more important. Whatever it is that's going to be good for Filipinos, you sacrifice that for the Filipinos. That's what being a good Filipino means. You make sacrifices for the country, you make sacrifices for your people.
You're teary-eyed.
Yes, because I'm very upset. No, because I see people having a hard time. And and they don't deserve it. Mabuti ba kung masamang tao yan? Dapat parusahan. Hindi naman eh. Walang ginawa yan kundi magtrabaho. Kundi mahalin ang pamilya. Ba't mo paparusahan? Para magpayaman ka? That makes no sense to me.
Sa dami ng sakit ng ulo nyo po, do you ever regret being president?
No. Not for
You didn't even pause to think.
Not for one moment.
Why?
Because I am given the opportunity to actually, the privilege, the opportunity and the chance to actually do something. All of the things that I complained about all my life, now I can do something about it. And that is the greatest privilege that anyone can be granted. So no, I don't regret.